I was shocked to see people were making hundreds of thousands of dollars a month online. Some were making millions of dollars every month. And these were normal everyday people like you and me. I decided to put my detective cap on and do some research on this to find out how they were doing this. In this video, I'm going to show you how normal people earn millions of dollars every month and how you can do it too. Make sure you watch till the end to understand the full method. Subscribe to the channel and turn notifications on to be one of the first to see new videos. So let's get into the video. After doing a lot of research into this, I found that people were making money from Amazon, more specifically Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA is a service that Amazon offers in which sellers can send products to Amazon and they take care of shipping, fulfillment and customer service. You can list your products on Amazon and take advantage of the customers that shop with Amazon, and your products are also eligible for Prime shipping. You shouldn't get FBA confused with FBM. Amazon FBM stands for Fulfillment by Merchant, and while you can still list on Amazon and make tons of money, you have to take care of shipping products out to customers. FBM is cheaper, but you may as well pay Amazon that little more and let them take care of everything. So now you're probably asking, how do I get started? Well, first you want to do some research and find out what's selling on Amazon. What you want to do is find high demand and low competition products. Go onto Amazon and look through products and the different categories that have less than 200 reviews and low bestseller rank on Amazon. A very useful tool for product research is Jungle Scout. It's a paid tool but immensely helps you out. Jungle Scout helps you see an estimate of how many a certain product is selling a day, how much money it's making a month and much more. This way you can tell if it's worth getting into a product or not, or you can just be nosy and just find out how much a certain product's making. Once you have done that and found a product that sells well, it's time to start manufacturing products. The best thing to start to sell is private label products. A private label product is taking an existing product that a factory is already manufacturing and just put your logo and branding on it, while possibly making minor changes. And the best thing is, loads of factories are willing to do this for you. Where do you find these manufacturers? Go to Alibaba.com and search for a product. For example, if I'm looking to start a yoga business, I'd type in yoga mats. I would then go through the suppliers, looking through their quality and contacting a few. When contacting them, you want to ask what their minimum order quantity is, how long they've been trading for, their best price per unit, and if they can send you any samples. They usually charge for samples, but get 2 or 3 samples from the manufacturers you like the best. Once you have chosen the manufacturer, it's time to put an order in with them. You can choose to have your order shipped with air or sea. Getting it shipped by air is faster but also more expensive. While you wait for your products to arrive, set up your Amazon sellers account and create your listing. The most important things on Amazon is your title, bullet points, description, keywords and photos. So make sure you spend a bit of time setting them up and optimizing them. Having a great Amazon listing is the key points to becoming successful on Amazon. Once you have received your order from the factory, create a shipment on your Amazon sellers account and send your products off to one of the Amazon warehouses. When Amazon has received your products and approved your listing, it will then go live. This is definitely not a get-rich-quick scheme.
I'll make it rain all day long.
And is a business and should definitely be treated like one. I recommend you build a website for your brand and social media accounts like Facebook and Instagram. So that's how you sell on Amazon in a nutshell. Obviously there's more to it and I could go into more detail, but I'll save that for another video. If you would like more videos about this, let me know in the comments. I hope you get some value from this video. If you did, like the video as it helps with the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.